Moving on, political tensions have continued to grip Nepal's parliament as opposition parties have intensified protests against Prime Minister Balendra Shah, demanding his resignation over controversial remarks related to the Nepal-India border. Lawmakers from opposition parties raised slogans, disrupted proceedings, and forced the House of Representatives to suspend business for another day on Wednesday. The controversy erupted after Shah told Parliament that Nepal had also occupied Indian land in certain areas and that studies were underway to assess possible encroachments from both sides before any discussions with India. The remarks have sparked strong criticism, with opposition leaders calling them irresponsible and demanding evidence, clarification, or an apology from the Prime Minister. Meanwhile, Nepal's Ministry of Foreign Affairs issued a clarification stating that Shah's comments referred to technical matters involving boundary pillars, no man's land, and cross-border land use. The ministry emphasized that Nepal's official position on the border remains unchanged and continues to be guided by the Treaty of Sugauli. It also reaffirmed Kathmandu's commitment to resolving all outstanding border issues with India through dialogue. With protests showing no signs of easing, the Speaker has adjourned the House of Representatives until June 8.
प्रधानमन्त्रीज्यूले हिजो व्यक्त गर्नुभएको अभिव्यक्ति कूटनीतिक कानूनी र राष्ट्रिय सुरक्षाको दृष्टिले अत्यन्त गम्भीर विषय बनेको छ। प्रधानमन्त्री भनेको व्यक्ति होइनन्, संस्था हुन् र हाम्रो राजकीय संस्थाबाट आएको ज्यादै फितलो भाष्यले राष्ट्रिय संकट उत्पन्न गर्ने जोखिम बढेको छ। यसलाई भइहाल्यो, सामान्य विषय हो, उहाँको आशय अर्कै हो भनेर टार्न मिल्ने खालको विषय होइन। अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय कानूनको स्टोपेल सिद्धान्त अनुसार राज्यका आधिकारिक अभिव्यक्तिहरू पछि अस्वीकार गर्न कठिन हुन्छन्, जसले राष्ट्रिय दाबी कमजोर पार्न सक्छ।